Standard lower machine head calibrate. Please take care of the whole assembly steps while maintenance. Before disassemble lower machine head, we can use a tie ribbon to prevent cap of supplying water pipe to get inside without any block. For calibrate, we just dismantle the lower machine base and calibrate the error based on the grinded surface due. After using a period of time, lay a dust and the impurity on it, so it must to clean carefully. Also check the grinded surface, whether be damaged. Confirm everything is fine, then go to calibrate the lower MC head accordingly. Fix up the dial gauge base on the upper MC head. Look at the vertical view of the lower MC head. This is a grinded surface that we are going to calibrate on this plane. Calibrate Y-axis at left side. We could adjust by 2 balance screws as majority. After calibrating at left side is done, then go to X-axis direction. You must remember the last calibrate value clearly. Note direction be positive or negative. Suppose Y1 axis is negative, minus 0.002 mm, and the Y2 axis is negative, minus 0.001 mm. Therefore, you just make sure the error with 0.002 mm at negative direction. In X-axis, then total plane error could be controlled within plus minus 0.05 mm. At last stage, you have to check the gap between table and the lower flushing nozzle. We have to install a spring in the flushing nozzle. This is because we need a base surface like a lower head flushing nozzle is fully open by the water during machining. We use dial gauge to calibrate the error. The standard of gap error must control with plus minus 0.15 mm. Maximum not over 0.20 mm. 0.05 mm is the alloy tolerance. Please note for AWT-MC must keep 0.15 mm. The key to adjust the gap firstly, to choose the lowest point of flushing nozzle as base point. Work table will be the highest point. We adjust the gap opposite to flushing nozzle and work table. Now we get the gap error at 0.18 mm. After gap value adjustment is done, and again check the X-axis gap value, left and the right side, not over 0.01 mm. Lower MC head calibrate is done.